mukhang May 11 ang magiging judgment day sa House of Representatives kung kailan pagbobotohan po itong impeachment. And one-third is required, or 106 votes. So do you think the House will easily secure the numbers at this point?
More than one-third. I
More
believe
than
we will
one-third.
be able to secure more than one-third. In fact, kahapon na madami ako nakakausap, nagbagong isip because hindi nga nila ma-justify sa kanilang mga constituents yung numero And there was even one congressman that I talked with. Sabi nga niya sa akin, alam mo, before marami nagagalit sa akin doon sa lugar namin because they are pro Duterte. But after the second hearing, after the committee hearing dito sa Ill-Gotten Wealth, lumabas yung number sa AMLAC, sa SALN, lahat sinasabi sa akin dapat I should vote yes. So medyo na-bolster yung kanilang mga confidence, lumakas yung kanilang mga loob. So kaya nga sabi nga nila, how can we say no? Nandirito na sa harapan natin.
So in other words, Congressman, malaking bagay rin po dito yung public sentiment, yung public opinion, and not so much anymore about political considerations.
Kasi lahat naman yan, at the end of the day, anyway, 2 years pa yung election 2028 pa Lahat naman yan, makakalimutan rin Pero pagdating dito talaga, yung pagbobotohan mo, yung paninindigan mo, pag-uusapan ka, pagbaba mo, pag-ikot mo sa distrito mo, tatanungin ka ng mga constituents mo, Congressman, ano nangyari? Bakit gano'n na naging boto mo? Diba? Kitang-kita na. Bilyon-bilyon pala yung pera na dumaan. Tapos bumoto ka ng no. Ano nangyari? Nabulag ka? Baka pagdudahan ka pa.
Sabi po ni Congressman Terry Ridon, he expects that at the very best, mapapantayan yung 215 votes in the impeachment last year. Kung kayo po tatanungin, Kong Joel, do you think aabot po ito more than 200? How different is the political landscape this time around?
I think it will surpass 200. Hindi ko lang alam kung gaano karami, but definitely mas tingin ko, I'm confident that more than 200 congressmen or members of the House of Representatives will vote yes.